What are we talking, kids? What are we talking, huh? What are we talking? I got news, friends. I got news. Here we go, baby! Well, friends, a dream of mine has finally come true. I am now a 49ers season ticket holder, and I couldn't be more thrilled. That's right, my friends. Season tickets to the 5-time world champion San Francisco 49ers here at Levi Stadium. Can you guys believe it? Season tickets. Crying out loud. It's the 49ers 75th year. I finally got season tickets. Now realistically, I'll probably only go to 2 or 3 games a season myself, and the rest I'm gonna sell to make some of my money back. But the rest I'm gonna give away on our Instagram. We talking season tickets here? So make sure you're following the Instagram. All the contests will go through there. Not just for Niner tickets, we got other giveaways going on as well. Just like the immersive Van Gogh we just recently gave away. They're still doing vaccinations over here at Levi Stadium, which is pretty cool. I'm fully vaxxed up, ready to go. Ready for more adventures. Being a season ticket holder was always just some fantasy to me. I never thought it would ever be in reach, but I worked hard and somehow I made it happen. I'm still broke, so I'm gonna have to sell most of the tickets, but it's gonna work out in your guys' favor too. We still got Jimmy G. We got the young gun Trey Lance now coming up behind him, putting a little pressure on the quarterback position. I'm excited, super excited for this year. 75th year of the 49ers. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I got good seats too. You know, I always joke that I'm the nosebleed king, but I got some pretty good seats. Midsection, near the corner, not bad. Kind of exactly where I like to sit, so works out. I mean, I can't believe it. Can't believe I'm a 49ers season ticket holder. That was always a rich man's proposition. Here I am, a broke man with season tickets. Probably be a trivia question giveaway. That's what I like to do. Make sure that people are actually watching the videos. So the more videos of ours you watch, the better chance you have to snag those tickets. I'm gonna be giving away the tickets to the very first preseason game against the Kansas City Chiefs, I think, right? That's right, right? If not, I'll correct it in the description. Yep, first game. I haven't even been to the seats yet, and you guys get a chance to sit in my seats. Also, if anyone has tips on how to get these tickets to like people that need them, you know, I'd prefer the tickets to go to people that otherwise couldn't go to a game, couldn't afford it, any underprivileged folks around. That's kind of my goal, my aim with these. If any of you are thinking of getting over, I'm gonna send the tickets the morning of the game, so you can't resell them, you jerks. Don't ruin it for everybody. Hey, did you guys catch my annoying woos in the ESPN commercial? You might have seen it on our Instagram when we went to the Giants game last year during the pandemic, and they used my woo as the climax to an ESPN commercial, which is hilarious to me because my woos are so annoying. I should do one good one, huh? Woo! Wasn't that good, but I'm standing in a parking lot by myself, so not super hyped. Woo! Woo! I've been working so hard, and that's why the channel hasn't had a ton of videos this past year. 6 days a week at some points. But then, you know, in the end, I figure it'd be worth it because I can do stuff like this. Be able to get tickets, do giveaways, hook people up. That's really the goal of this channel, is to just bring something positive to the world. Just some fun and learning and education and knowledge and entertainment, you know? Because I'm too dumb to do anything else meaningful. So I can give away some Niner tickets and make someone's day, you know? And since I got season tickets, I'll have access to a bunch of events here, so hopefully that opens up the possibilities of cool episodes and also other giveaways of concerts or whatever that I'm not really interested in. Just make sure you're following the Instagram. It's all going down on Instagram. I'll leave reminders on YouTube, but most of it's on Instagram so that the YouTube channel isn't clogged up with nonsense. And I'll be attending more Giants games. If you happen to see me, say what's up. If you see me in the Niners game, say what's up. See me at the Warriors game, say what's up. See me at CVS, say what's up. If you see me dead, dying in a ditch, give me CPR and say what's up. Thank you. We've also been posting a bunch of cool stuff on our Patreon. I got exclusive videos and behind the scenes stuff there, like when I recently gave a speech at the historic Union Cemetery. By the time I'm gone, I hope I have videos, you know, every continent, doing history everywhere. And so I was like, let me pivot to like full-time video production and just do my own projects, playing a little baseball with my cousin, talking shop. Heads up! Heads up! Sorry. And who could forget stopping by the infamous Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles? World famous Cecil Hotel. There's a Netflix documentary about it. The Night Stalker stayed here. Very, very infamous hotel. There's a window open. So the Patreon has a bunch of exclusive stuff that doesn't really fit on this channel, bonus content, stuff like that. So check out our Patreon. You can help us get to more adventures, more ghost towns, more abandoned places, more museums, and more ball games. I'm a season ticket holder. That's nuts. That's nuts. I never thought ever. Ever. So make sure you're checking out the Instagram. We're gonna be giving away at least a few games a year, hopefully. And I'm telling you, I'm flooding the Patreon with a bunch of cool videos. So you should check out the Patreon. It's worth it. I'm making it worth it, you know? Behind the scenes, all kinds of cool stuff. So come on, guys, check it out. If that was anyone that honked at me and waved, let me know, leave a comment. Woohoo! Let's go Niners. You guys like that? Worked hard on that one. More episodes coming soon. We just filmed a couple, still editing. Thank you to the Patreon subscribers. It means a lot. Thank you very much for showing your support. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things that cool kids do. Follow the Instagram for the contests and giveaways. Vertlife, something or other tour. Thanks, friends. Check in next time. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Can you guys believe it? Can you guys believe it? Someone just honked at me and waved. I don't know who that is. Is that one of you guys? All right.